Today, I am sharing an update to my green screen tutorial for how to create green screen videos using Instagram Reels. Instagram's constantly moving things around, so today I'm excited to share with you exactly where to click to find what you need. Let's get into it. Once you are in Instagram, you're going to click on the plus sign at the bottom, and then you're going to tap on Reels. From here, you're going to go ahead and click camera mode. Once you're in camera mode, you're going to tap this little caret on the side, and you'll now see green screen right in the middle. So once you tap on green screen, you can either select from the green screens they already have. So I'm going to tap on this little fella right here. They have that green screen, or you can change the background to green screens that they already have. Both still images and videos work here. I'm going to use something from my camera roll. So in order to do that, you need to have already recorded or taken a picture of what you want in your green screen. So I'm going to use this video right here, which is me deleting X, formerly known as Twitter, because bye Felicia. All right, I'm going to add this to the video. It takes a sec, and then it'll be now in your video. From here, you can go ahead and tap on the photo of you, and you go ahead and start recording by pressing and holding. So this is your recording. You can move around to show the screen. You can also pinch yourself to make you smaller and move yourself around the screen that way as well. Once you're done recording, you'll let go, and your recording's ready to go from here. You click next, and you'll be able to see the video you just created. If you need to edit that video at all, you click edit, and that will take you to the editing bay where you can clip things. You can add in more clips if you need. You can add in audio, you can add in text and stickers from here. And once you're done with that, away you go. You're ready to post your green screen video to Instagram. I'd love to see the videos you create as you create them. Go ahead and pop them down below and I will check them out. Hey, before you go, I've got to tell you about the Instagram Mindset Guide. It's a free resource that's going to help you strengthen your marketing by strengthening your mindset, and I think you'll love it. Grab it at the link that goes with this video, and I'll see you back here with another video very soon. Bye!